Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new workout plan on the JustFit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the My Plan button on the right side corner of the screen. And then go to the top and click on the edit button that can be found in the upper right corner. Here you can set the physical limitations if you have any. So select the areas where you have suffered any injuries, such as knee, leg, wrist. So tap on the relevant one and click on the next button. After that you should select the workout duration ranging from 15 to 60 minutes. So tap on the relevant option and then you should set the muscle groups that you would like to target during your workout, and then click on the confirm button and tap on save settings down below so that the new plan will be created, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.